Namaskaram. I am Sarah from France. I'm living here since 33 years. I met Sadhguru 10 years ago, and from that onwards, my life completely changed. I changed my way of eating and my style of life. So from that onwards, I wanted to have pranic food every helps me so much, and it has a really a big impact having some pranic food on an everyday level. I can see it on my body, on my health, and also it has a big impact on my hair because in 2014 I shaved my hair, and from that onwards my hair has been growing, but incredibly. I can show you how my hair has grown with these pranic food. So after this video, there will be a video of Sadhguru who will be talking about pranic food. And after that, I will be showing you my garden where I have grown all these vegetables. Thank you.
In the yogic culture, we classify foods into three categories: positive pranic food, negative pranic food, and zero pranic food. Positive prana means it adds a certain pranic energy to the system when you consume. Negative prana takes away energy from the system. Zero neither adds nor takes away, it's eaten for taste and lethargy. If you eat positive pranic food, energy will reverberate in a dynamic way. If you eat negative pranic food, it takes away energy and causes certain deviations in energy. The amount of colon cancer, intestinal cancer is so heavy because one thing is they're eating food which is not suitable for the system, another thing is they're eating old food. When I say old food, almost anything, everything, if I walk into any store, what I see is any food you want to buy is at least a month or 2 months old. Still, in India fortunately, except in big cities, still if we want to buy a vegetable, it must be plucked today morning. It is plucked at 6:30 in the morning, we cook at 8:30, 9, when the vegetable is still alive, we want to eat it, and it'll make a world of difference.
So now I am going to show you my garden. So here you have some basil, which we use for salads, for pasta, and for some certain mixtures, tomato sauce. Here are the chilies, the big chilies, they are not too hot. Then we have these different species of tomatoes, which we can use for salad, for sauce, for whatever you want. And this is a special plant which we call here in France osei, and we can I discovered we can replace it for tamarind. We can make some rice with this, put in salad. We can prepare it in different forms. And here we have some salads, and these salads now they have grown. We are at the end of summer, we are coming nearly to the end of summer. They are getting grown. So we have this range of salads, and we have beetroot which are growing, which I can use also when I do some rice, or when I make some salads with some fresh leaves. I can use it in salads. And here it is thymes, which we use much in French dishes. For example, when you are making something with olive oil, we use this for example, preparing some zucchini. And here we have some tomatoes also, which we can use for starter, for salads. And here we have beans. So this is a fig tree where you have some fig fruits, which we can use for making some jam, and or also we can eat it fresh, We can also use it in salads. And here I will show you all my pumpkin field, where you have some fresh pumpkins, many pumpkins which is just growing like that here. And we will have the flowers of the pumpkin, and we have the young leaves with which we can prepare a dish with that to make some kire. So here are the zucchini. It is another species which are round one. We can prepare different dishes with a species. The zucchini by itself is just a poem, and here it is a little apple tree which has given so many apples. So apple we can use in whatever way we can. And this is another plant with which we can make some cake. In French we call it rhubarbe, and with this we can make some jam. We can prepare some cakes with that. Tarte à la rhubarbe. And here are all zucchini plants. There are different species of zucchini, and this is a kiwi plant. And here is another species of zucchini. Hope you have liked my garden and the vegetables and plant which is over there. In the coming weeks, I will be preparing some recipe with all the vegetables and plants which is over there. If you do like the garden, please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have any questions related to that, please comment below. Thank you.